Hello guys, welcome to AcuTech. Today I'm going to teach you how to use SmartArt in Microsoft Word. Using Microsoft Word, you can quickly and easily make the visual representation of your information. So you can choose different layouts to effectively communicate your message or idea. So this smart art is actually graphics and can be used in Microsoft Word easily to express your ideas in better way. So how we do it? Let's do that. First of all, you have to have an idea or any information you want to just visualize here, and maybe you have an assignment. So let's do, first of all, go to the smart art, and like this, if I want to express life cycle, okay, this life cycle I want to, if I want express here life cycle, so it's not the way. For example, for the life cycle, okay, air and oxygen, and then food. Okay, so air, food and water life cycle. This is the piece of information I have, and I want to explain to the people, but it's not effectively I am communicating this message to the people. So if I use smart art to communicate with the people, to make them understand the life cycle in smart art, it would be the better way. So click on smart art, then I choose my required graphic smart art from here. Like if I want to explain the life cycle in this layout visual or this, so I want right now the life cycle would be consist of all these. So I just click here and then OK. I just would like to write here life cycle, and then click here what you need, the oxygen, okay, and the food and the water, and the third we don't need. Okay, if you have another life cycle, so you may just put it, other than just delete it. Click here and the delete. Now you can see, now people can understand, okay, this is the life cycle. So air, food and water, so they can understand quickly and easily. So the life cycle, I just go to send it line center and one make it bigger little bit, okay, like this, and then still I can see this is the life cycle. If I want to change the life cycle in here, double click here, and then you can change the layout, smart art layouts. Like if you want to make like this, okay, it's okay, other than this, like this and all that. Now you can see here any kind of, okay, so it's okay. Now you can see here, if you want to change the writing style, now you can do that, and many more. So just click here, you can change the design, you can change the color and anything you want to change in life cycle. This actually the smart art, and more if you want to make some other smart art styles. So what you have to do is click again, and then like here we have another. I want to explain, okay, this one, like here in today's situation, you want to say the price is going up, prices is going up, and your income is going down. So you can see, okay, so people can understand it very quickly and easily. And you want to change the arrow style and format and even the color. Okay, so I want this sort of color, and then even you can change the layout, format and style. price equal to income, and that you can change it, price and income and that, all that. But it would be in the better explanation. So if you want more, then just click here and then SmartArt. I want to show some process like this. Okay, this flow. Okay, so right here I want to explain this one into input through keyboard, and the second one would be the mouse. Input devices and the process and the computer would be CPU and some sort of GPU, and then third output LED, monitor or LCD, whatever you want to say. Output are the results you can see. Now people can understand it in easy way if you write this information down here in shape of the text, so maybe it would difficult to understand quickly and easily. So this diagram is actually this graphic would help full to understand the process of input and output. So how does it work, the sort of these and all that. So you may change the color and the format, design, everything you want to upgrade, and the style like this if I want this one, and even change this one, anything, any style you would like to. Color, if I want to change the color like this, okay, like this. Now, so this is how there's so many other word art styles, so you can select and you can just apply on your text. And cycle, we have many more. Hierarchical, we have relationship, if you want to show up the relationship. Word art here, SmartArt. Matrix, pyramids, and list if you want something for list. Process, cycles, and all that. So this way you put SmartArt in Microsoft Word. So hope you understand. So thank you very much.